Okay, good morning everyone. My name is Maria Riza Canyal Akdog. So my middle name is Akdog. So I am from Davao City. I am one of the participants of Philippines. So I provided help last June 30. It's been June, July, August, September. It's been 3 months since I have invested 50,000 pesos. Now I get help 28,300 pesos. So, I want to thank you the participant, Fabale, Pacifico, Kaloy, Donna, Gigi, and Sote Susan for providing help to what I need in 28,300 pesos. So, I want to thank you MMM for this opportunity, and I hope for those who will view my video, I hope you will be encouraged to be part of Philippines and to earn and to gain while you give. So thank you, together we'll change the world.